This is 5 Minutes with Coach Q's perspective. Just a quick thought for athletes and parents.
Let me clear something up because I recently heard a phrase that sound good, but without context, it teaches the wrong lesson. That phrase was confidence is a feeling, courage is a decision. I understand what people mean when they say it, but if we stop there, kids learn something that actually holds them back. They learn to wait. Wait until the nerves go away. Wait until they feel ready. Wait until they feel sure. And that's not how confidence actually works. Here's the truth: confidence is not a feeling, confidence is a skill. The experience of confidence might feel like calm and belief or freedom, but confidence itself is built through training, it's built through reps in self talk after a mistake, reps in resetting emotionally, reps in making decisions when the moment feels big, reps in trusting preparation over feeling. That's why two athletes with the same talent can look completely different under pressure. It's not personality, it's not swagger, it's not toughness. It's it's training. Now, let's talk about courage. Courage is a decision. Courage is acting before the skill feels comfortable. Courage is raising your hand when your heart is racing, taking a shot after a miss, calling for the ball when you're unsure, staying engaged when doubt shows up. Courage is the bridge, but here's the part most people miss: courage doesn't replace confidence training, it reveals where the confidence has been trained. If there's nothing built underneath, courage feels exhausting. If the skill is trained, courage feels supported. That's why telling kids to just be confident doesn't work. And yelling, you got this, from the stands doesn't fix it, because confidence isn't motivation, it's preparation plus mental habits. Most kids don't lack confidence, they lack systems. They don't know what to say to themselves after a mistake, how to slow down emotionally, how to trust preparation when feelings get loud. So, hesitation gets labeled as low confidence, but most of the time, it's just untrained. But most of the time, it's just untrained confidence. Parents, this part matters. If your child only plays free when things are going well, that's not confident. If one mistake changed their body language, that's not confidence. If they dominate practice but disappear in the game, that's not confident. That's a skill gap. And skill gaps don't get fixed with speeches, they get fixed with training. This is where the dog mindset lives. Dog confidence isn't loud, it isn't emotional, it's grounded. Identity over outcome. A, a dog doesn't wait to feel confident, they rely on what they've trained. They trust, their reset, their preparation, their habits under pressure. That's confidence you could depend on. So remember this: confidence is a skill, courage is the decision to use it before you feel ready. And when courage meets training, growth follows. Not louder, not flashier, but stronger, calmer, and more grounded. That's real confidence. Sit with that perspective. I'm Coach Q, and I'm out.